My life graduates, Dumelang, hello, sanibonani, ngiyanamukela, ngicela ni-enjoy le vlog. Lapho khona bekade ngine-shoot ekhethekile noThando Dlamuka. uThando Dlamuka simazi kakhulu kule show ebizwa ngokuthi Isencane le ngane edlala laphaya-ke kuMoja Love TV. Before siqhubeka kakhulu ngicela nje ukuthi ulike le video, usubscribe le vlog, usubscribe kwi-podcast and uyishare far and wide ngoba something is cooking and ngicabanga ukuthi uzoyithokozela ngoba ngisebenze kanzima ukuthi ifikelele kuwena. Ngiyacela-ke futhi ungakhohlwa ukuthi ube i-channel member. Buy channel membership. Membership is only 29 rand per month. It's going to give you perks like this ukuthi wena uzothola behind the scenes abanje in the future bazoba exclusive for wena, and kune merchandise that is coming through. Uzothola free stuff, uzothola gifts, uzothola discounts according to how you comment, according to how you interact with the page. And on top of that, senza ama-events like hi podcast ihlale yenza ama-events la ishutha khona live. Wena-ke nje uma ngabe uyi-channel membership, halakasha galakata uzozingenela mahhala kuma-events and get a VIP treatment while you are there. Sikuphathe nje ngendlela ekhethekile, kucace ukuthi wena you are special, you are more special. Everybody is special that interacts and that watches our podcast, but once you become a member futhi kufanele phela sikunikeze different treatment. Angithi kuba njalo nje, izandla ziyagezana-ke bakwethu. Ngiyacela ukuthi ningilandele, ningisupporte, ningilike, ningisubscribele, ningisharele, nithenge ama-membership. Yimi-ke loya noThando sise spa, igama lalesi spa, it's Fleur the Spa at Durban. This one is at the Royal Hotel, but ke banama branches all over. Bane branch e-Overport, bane branch eMhlanga, baphinde bazoba ne branch ke le besikuyona which is Royal Hotel. Uma usubuka a full episode uzobona ama contact details nokuthi kubookwa kanjani and everything, so that nawe mawuthola ithuba Nkosi yami uhambe uyothokozisa umzimba osebenza kanzima, uthi ukubamba bamba ubotobotoze yabo, uthinta thinte ngezandla zabantu ama-monsieur, abantu abakufundele ukuthi basisiza kanjani ukuthi si-relax. So-ke nami bengiphezu kwalo mshikasho ukuthi before siyongena kwi-cracks of the matter, kwi-content yangempela noThando la sohlala khona phansi sikhulume, ngiye ngabona ukuthi hayi ugirl ubeneviki elibhizi kakhulu, so yeah, angeke ngisho ama-details amaningi ukuthi bekwenzakalani. So nje yinto obekade eyidinga le, nami futhi into ebekade ngiyidinga ngoba yeyi siyasebenza ku-up ku-down khona kumanje nje ngisafraze i-event nje that is upcoming on the 1st of December. So kodwa-ke ya umzimba osebenzayo asiwuthokoziseni bakwethu. So this is us, ama-therapists, they are there, they are preparing for us. Silele laphayana, akusemnandi nokulala lapha, lo ambhede unevavavum uthi nje kamnandi kanjani, and then-ke baya-prepare. We did a couple's full body Swedish full body Swedish massage with hot stones. We did facial, we did head and neck massage, senza ne foot massage. Konke ke lokhu ke kuhamba uyazikhethela whether you want an alcoholic champagne or non-alcoholic champagne, and then later on they treat you into a slice of cake and a beverage of your choice, whether you want it juice, whether you want it coffee. Basiphathe kamnandi, angifuni ukungasho that place uyayidinga ma umuntu nje osebenza kanzima, uhleze wehla wenyuka kuze uDecember manje isikhathi sokurelaxa. Akoqale khona nje before uyothenga izincumncumu zikakhisimusi ezisikhuluphalisa nje basikhuluphele kangaka nje 2024, akoqala uyozitreat lapha. Ke sibone ukuthi kuhambe kanjani-ke lapha ngoba usisi nangu uyaprepare, siyambona basiphathe kamnandi lapho usisi, angifuni ukungasho, basitreat like queens that we are. Hayi basiphathe kamnandi, angifuni ukungasho, ngenzela ukuthi nawe nje uyabona-ke lapha khona nabaphithiphithizayo-ke lapha abathi 1 2 bashonele babhizi-ke ba-install iy'nto zakhona. Engeke ngikutshele ukuthi izinto ezabazifaka lapha, kodwa-ke nawe uzobona ukuthi bafaka ini lapha, okwenza ukuthi-ke wena nje beka ilihlo lakho ku-YouTube, ku-podcast, kwi-Meaningful Conversations Thusand Mfeka, and wenze sure ukuthi uyayibuka le episode ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Season Tonton is also coming up ka isencane lengane. Angeke ngiwakhipha ama details ngisayine inan-disclosure la. Ukuthi ngingayithi vu ngoba phela ngithi nina kufanele niyibone ku-TV seniyibone ukuthi yabo ukuthi la inje. Yeah, kodwa ke ugirl is a very, very humble, sweet soul. I love umoya wakhe. I love her honesty. Yo, ibimnandi leya episode. All my episodes are always nice. I always learn a lot from my guests. I always ngina something engibuya nayo from each and every guest. But meeting Uthando and having to spend time with her, hlale phansi sixoxe naye. Yo, guys, there is a lot to learn from abantu abandlula ezintweni ezithile empilweni. Wena nawe mina singeke sazi understand abanye abantu bahlele ezintweni ezithile singa understand ukuthi uhlaleleni as abantu they always bethi akashiya indoda ahambe. Angazi ukuthi bathi akayishiya yephi, kodwa ke osiyazi ke baku social media. Kodwa kubalekile ukuthi we had a relaxing time. Look at us. Yo, baqalile kosisi bastoboza lapha, head, shoulder. You, kamnandi kanjani. Kuvele ukuthi nje bebeqala bekuthinta labo sisi ngezandla zabo zine magic. I am telling you. Kuno magic ofake kulezandla kuvele mebeqala nje bekubamba bekuthoboza bekuthinta. Kuvele ukuthi nje kamnandi uvele ufuna ukulala. Bengingasafuni mina kodwa bengise ayikho mhlawumbe indlela yokuthi ningavele nisikhiyele khona silale khona la ngoba cha kumnandi kakhulu kulala la kule mbhede. Kumnandi nje yonke into namaphupho. Yo, ubuthonge ngibulale izolo after that massage, after that whole treatment. Yo, ngilale kamnandi. Angizange ngiphuphe ngisho ukuphupha izinto ezingasile lezi siziphuphayo kuthiwa awu nenyongo awu. Yo, ngivele ngayilalela nje kamnandi batoboza nemlenze yami batoboza namathanga ami. But ayibo wena ngiyakutshela nezinqa bazithi kamnandi. Yo, I always treat myself to these massages and things in different spas and whatnot. But these ones, yabona la, bekuvala. It was the best of the best. Bestest lengu uthole la. Ne treatment and everything. Yo, ngicela nibavakashele. If you're in Durban, make your appointment. Khona manje kunama Black Friday specials November. Lama specials ayaphela. Come December ayashoot ama price anyuka buyela back ku-normal price. Do visit them. Basasana ama half price, basana nama package ama couples ntontoni. You can even come ni family, you can even come ni 6, you can even come ni 10. Yo guys, ayikubalekile ukuthi umzimba osebenzayo unakekele. Istress esiphila ngaphansi kwazo siyagijima, sigijimisa career, sigijimisa ama hustle, sibamba lapha siyeka lapha. Kuningi konke kubuya kuzohlala ekhanda and we don't give ourselves enough time to rest, you know. So this is something that I am recommending, that ungalenzi phuthu ukuthi kuphele lo nyaka unemali ephaketheni ungahamba uyozitreat la ngoba you don't need it. You absolutely need this one. Okay, bengisantshela ke guys, bengisangixoxela ukuthi sahamba ke ekseni. We spent the whole morning doing this. All of this, it took us 2.5 hours, including all the treats, facial, head massage, full body Swedish massage, foot and neck, and then we had slice of yummy. You guys can tell whether you want a red velvet or you want a vanilla or you want a chocolate. And well, with us here we had non-alcoholic champagne. It was hot, so we just had ilokunjana slices of cake with ilokunjana with ama fruit juices. Osarelax nje saspend isikhathi sixoxa kumnandi sibonda yo, and then ke 2.5 hours we were done there. Masiqeda lapho shwike manje sesibheke studio Meaningful Conversation Ruzandi Mfeka bekufanele sishuthe ke that full hour episode ye podcast ke sahamba ke sabheke studio safike sashutha ke sesirelax sesiright sesibondile yabona nje ya sashutha ke kwabamnandi. So yeah, ngicela uqhubeke nokubuka la ukuthi senze ini nani enye. I'm not going to put everything on the vlog because a full episode will come out and angifuni ukuthi uboreke mase kubuya episode ukuthi sengiyibonile le aya. So yabo, come with me over the rainbow. Ayibo, subscribe-ile yini? Angikwazi ukuthi ulindeni. Usuyi-channel member yini? Ngoba ayibo uzophuthela ama-packs phela if ungeyona channel member. Awuzophuthela nje ama-packs that are coming to you one by one. Uyabona in the near future is ama behind the scenes anje azobonwa ama-channel members kuphela. Azoba abantu abazothola i-access is channel members only. So awuzijwayeze nje ukuthi normalize ukuthi usiphe i-R29 yakho, R29 yakho a month. It's not a lot of money, guys. Cabanga nje imali ongena uyiqhafaze nje KFC, uyiqhafaze nje Nando's, uyiqhafaze nje Top Spa. 29 mncane kakhulu. Please do support us. I'm humbling myself. Please do support, buy channel membership. Give us super thanks if you can, whenever you can. And ngicela ukusho futhi ukuthi we are going to have a lot more lives than before. I am going to make time. Remember, guys, I still keep my 9 to 5. So, kunzima, kuningi. Kodwa nje, I do want ukuthi ngenze more lives nani. I do want to interact more nani in different ways. Ngizonitshela ukuthi what are those ways. But I've already told you one of the best ways to interact with me and get priority responses is to become a channel member, because your comment uma uyi-channel member iya-highlightek. There is no way ukuthi singangayiboni. Me and my team is always there to answer your comments. Asifuni ukuthi nifile neglected ukuthi njalo sidampa ama-episodes and then masisuka lapho we don't even have time to even put a like on the episode, on your comment, to even respond to your comment, because ama-comments wenu abaluleke kakhulu, guys. Iwona asakhayo, iwona asenza sibone ukuthi lento esiyenza ikhona noma ayikho, niyayidinga noma niyidingi, iyanakha noma ayinakhi, iyanifundisa or ayini-inspiration or siyeke yabo. Yeah, so yiloko-ke, as we go on and on and on, enjoying and having some fun and nice time. Do enjoy.
In Anastasia fish are using DHI products is suitable for all skin types. Can you please close your eyes and confirm?
As you can see, our Matthews have started the work. Yo, sesiya-enjoya-ke guys, sokumnandi lana sesithule cwaka sekuphelele iy'ndaba sesiya-enjoya sowunanele nje. Yo, yazi sowunanele lokukitazwa kamnandi lokutofotofoza kamnandi nje loku. Yo, yazini, hayi guys, mina ngiyanicela ukuthi ngicela nihambe niye the spa at the Royal Hotel. You can either visit another branch at Umhlanga. You can either visit another branch that is at Opus City. As long as you are in Durban, they will give you best treatment and, you know, very, very reasonable prices for the quality of work that they do and the treatment that is specialized and, you know, the kingdom treatment you get. The prices that they have there is very, very reasonable. Right now, as I'm talking to you, one special is 499. Esinye is 699, and I'm talking two people, full treatments. 1 hour, 2.5 hours. Hour lokuqala, it's a full body Swedish massage with hot stones. Boso yakhetha-ke whether you want to do foot massage, you want to do facial, and then it comes with that sparkling glass of wine. It's not one, you know. It's one when you arrive, and yeah, but nje ama-packages they differ at the time ukuthi khona ini what is available or what is on special. But right now, cela ungalenzi phutha, ziblesse, give yourself a Christmas gift by running to Fleur the Spa and have that session this month just before umjuxuzo kaDisemba. Zibonge ukuthi usaphila, unyaka uyaphila, ukhona, usebenzile, bonga. Zigift. Don't wait ukuthi uze ube giftwe by somebody. Zigift wena self, ne?
Just finish applying the mask in either direction. I leave it for 3 minutes while it sits on your head. I'll do the massage. Clean face. Exercise his face clean in the nighttime and concentrate your shoulders. Is the pressure still okay? The pressure fine?
Sesenza ama-facials-ke manje sitotosa ubuso babhulisha ubuso bayabubhona ubuso bayabcwebezela ubuso. Ayibo intombazane ayibe ne-glow. Intombazane ayibe ne-glow awamnandi. Ama-creams nama-scrubs wabo awakwenzi nje ufile fresh. Yo, you just feel so refreshed. Your face when you're finished, you look like engazi ukuthi wathatha le nto yasiyakhotha yabo. Wathatha le nto engenabungozi yasiyakhotha wasalucwebezela uthi. I hope you did enjoy this one. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And most importantly, please do buy our membership. And please do give us super thanks. We'll really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye.